Introduction. Sumit has scored full marks in his mathematics test. He wants to inform his parents right away. He calls his mother at her office as soon as he comes home. Then he decides to call his father. But he realizes that he does not remember his mobile number. So he calls his mother again to get his father's mobile number. But she is busy in a meeting and does not attend his call. Sumit has no option but to wait for his father's return in the evening. He then understands how important numbers are. In this lesson, we study numbers in detail. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to write numbers using the Indian number system, write numbers using the international number system, perform calculations using abacus, write numbers in expanded form, identify the place value of a digit in a number, convert numbers written in words into figures, compare numbers, arrange numbers in ascending and descending orders, skip count. Ascending and descending orders. Once we know how to compare numbers, we can arrange them in the ascending, that is, increasing, or descending, that is, decreasing order. In the ascending order, the numbers are arranged starting from the smallest number first, then the next greater number, then the next, and so on. In the descending order, the numbers are arranged in the reverse, that is, starting from the largest. Symbolically, the ascending order of numbers may be denoted by the less than symbol. For example, 390 is less than 1823, which is less than 3005, which is less than 7540. Similarly, the descending order of numbers may be denoted by the more than symbol. For example, 6583 is greater than 5678, which is greater than 2134, is greater than 1200, which is greater than 456. Skip counting. Skip counting helps us to count many things quickly. It also helps us to learn multiplication tables. Skip counting by 2 looks like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It simply means we skip 2 places and arrive at the next number. Here, if you observe, the difference between any 2 adjacent numbers is the same, and it is 2. We skip count by tens in the following way: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. If you notice, the difference between any 2 adjacent numbers is the same, that is 10. Now let us skip count by hundreds: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000. Here the difference between any 2 adjacent numbers is 100. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The Indian number system groups the last 3 digits of a number together and then groups the rest into sets of 2 digits each. The international number system groups the digits of a number into sets of 3 each. Abacus is a tool used for calculations. Place value of a digit helps us determine its value in a number according to its position. In the ascending order, the numbers are arranged in increasing order starting from the smallest number first. In the descending order, the numbers are arranged in decreasing order starting from the largest number first. Skip